A Tesla Cybertruck driver was left furious after she was turned away from a car wash. A Cybertruck was turned away from a car wash in Los Angeles, as the car wash put up signs barring Cybertrucks not allowed for wash. The owner took her futuristic truck to a car wash but was surprised by the car wash refusing to wash the truck, and was wondering, is it because they're too big? Or look like a dumpster? A lot of car washes refuse Cybertrucks. Many owners revealed that they were already aware that the electric truck wasn't allowed in this car wash. The exact reason for the Cybertruck ban from the car wash is unknown as of now, but we suspect they break due to the water pressure from car wash under insurance liabilities. Tesla warranty clause does not cover car wash damage for Cybertruck. Tesla recommends that drivers use isopropyl alcohol to clean the truck.